I lied too much on the resume, y'all, but I am in too deep. The money is too good. I said I knew SQL, data analysis.
Here's a prime example why I tell everybody, please do not lie blatantly on your resume. You can revamp or reword your experience to align with the job, especially if you at least have the experience, but it's in a different industry or job sector. However, if you do not have the skill set or lack the necessary certifications or degrees, please do not blatantly lie about that. You can quickly lose your credibility. And as a career executive for well over the last decade, it will become blatantly and apparently clear to us very soon after you take the job. Even if you had the opportunity to get past us in the interview, once you land the role and you're unable to showcase us this necessary skill set for that role, even if it's lucrative in terms of the salary, you will quickly lose that salary and you will quickly lose out on your credibility on you as a candidate. So here's my legacy tip to you. Go ahead and work to close those skill set gaps that are on your resume to get you into the job or career field that you want to. There are a ton of courses, even free ones from Coursera or even through accredited universities that you can take in order to close gap in your skill set, whether it's learning more about data sets or SQL or other data analytics or even IT programming systems. If you want to learn more, there are plenty of free programs out there for you to utilize. So if you need more assistance on how you can close your skill set gaps and land you your next job, please go to legacycareersllc.com. Peace.